On the 16th of July 2025, and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and then each name was Santimemu, okay, thank you to. Na then see you, yeah, the Ebrel. A high Island Media Ghana. That's also best subscribe in our notification button. So, Senabe Adane Dani drop video. And the first person I want Sabekan when you be a share, Mwuni Ekoso, a war. Or my concrete Ghana, Muni, we are say Afanena. Young concept, so. Enra, 16th of July 2025, Enra. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and then thank you to a copy or Asante Memo or Jubilee Park. Na Okoyeno, na a ho aye day ye May, no Mushiana, Mr. President, ye or ya dear ye, oh the nation builder, me say, papa, and ye easy. Inti penny for Babe Casa, so phone in a Becasa, inti Yeshe, how are you mediano? Esikoe.
When you hear you, you must continue to try to work. So they need our son, I'm in the aqua. I'm in the crew. I'm a Otumfuor. The saints, your first half when you saw that was here, dear Coco, was in the town and I'm young Papa. Now, see about me. Now, I tell you, I don't buy. Baba, I did not want to be in my ear. Yeah, don't buy yet. Yeah, come on, and I'm at me yet. They didn't have any buy. Yeah, baby, by now in the Japan. I am a fire was dropped. I was so funny. I have 25 years. If you are Santa 50 years old, what we are to stand up today, a thing that you command on the floor, upon the floor with you, and my what we are to stand up today.
For a can win na a sadi aquaba sunku, Emma Nanamo, a the aquaba sunku, Emma, a software, Monsemo Dadie, Ebetai, Dumedi, Echi. Ede akwaba sonko bema yenuamu musumifo a musuma ba betai dumedi achi na de mekane se obibia wo ha bia eye media ede akwaba sonko ema obibia yeda masi onyankopon enhira mo ena dai eye eda sonko ema asanteman eni se ye mampani John Dramani Mahama wo hunu di asanteman eye ma no Ebra yeto about 2020 no. Enunti no one in penny for adwene wo se ene day wo ba na wo ba beda asanteman ase. Ye somo prakope sane ye nana ndi kai ye no. Wo se obi ya bibima na wo beda na ase a. Emane hu enipafu a wo ye. Enunti no ye fasa akwanya we so aka se omampani John Dramani Mahama ene day what they ba about the beda asantimasi dia ena ne ye catch and say one country say ye catch and say what I see a bibeba biem abusuafo bigina ha ema asofo a ye wo Ghana ha titriu ye wo asantimamu ha asofo de ye kan akire omampani ni say ana say de asofo ye kan ni say wo hwe trosem ni mu a o se ye mompa ye ma oman no na oman ni ye die na yensu ye bedi ye asofo mesre se de oman pani ni na pamfo ehia eye mpaibo se oman ni ye ya asofo ye se ye complain se asori eniema enye enkoso edi entria sabia ya ye de mpaibo ta na chi no ye nya ye di adanse se ensesan ye aba ye nsori mu abushafo asofo ye wo ha ye me pesa me catch mu ni say o kan Isaiah 62 verse 6 and 7 now o ka bibi efa o manchichire ho anasa o manchichire ho enuti o se momo miama no Monsari na Mumpaye. And you just for Mumum Yam no de Biarada. Mumayan sorry waka. Na ya Mumpaye and tie a year o man wachi. Asofo Muaha. Oman penny to Paris Biaba was a year 24-hour economy. I just say, Yana. Say Yana dear, you Juma dear. And you're now so for and you say a day, Yada. You didn't buy what tality. Nasa 24-hour economy no, a 2-year day, a basso. Abusia for Mestre say Yamaya Casanwa, a software, your war, a santimamuha. Mumayana Yentia Musiwa, Yakukuamu, Nayamompa and Tao Mampaniachi, Nayamsa and Pai Boy Dibatalitino, I didn't never call the beer, Sasawako. Omampani, yes, slow as software, Yaditu and say. Sanya, a bra over pair a conyano, when ye are software free mu. Na ebrebia woni asofo enante ye na yede mpai bota wachi na onyankopon man kunimdia ebo adwene ntiase so eba wo so no ye be se e ma wura mfi asofo wo ye bibia consult asofo na ye mfa mpai bo ye dai enta wachi efisa wa wote wo no me hu bi wo man mu da se yato aba wi a ansa ye be bobo aba no edi be 2, 3 or 4 days ansa ye bobo Yatu aba memreda no num ye wie kwasi ada adeche ye ebo no nkro no ndu na enyankopon apagya nsa wonu akasa ye ne wanwa eyempaibo bia na di wati eti enyampaibo da ebra bia be kokoto gani bia no ka che onyankopon se won ta wati na se woni onyankopon nante a bibi bia ni wa ebeso ebe wia meda abusuafo ase Meja asofo a mubaye mutayechi yenyina ye baye na mehye obi bia de mahwe bia no onyankopon wonhye manamu
Prez.John Dramani Mahama, members of the RECSEC present here, service commanders, members of the respective municipal, district municipal and then metropolitan assembly, Nananom as present, our Islamic clerics, Zongo chiefs, Ewe chiefs, the clergy as present here, members of the media. I want to welcome His Excellency the President to Ashanti region and for that matter the Garden City of West Africa. And also assure him that his resetting agenda has resonated with every facet of the region, for which reason everyone is happy that if there could be any gift that the Almighty God could give Ghana with or could give Ashanti region with, then it is indeed the second coming of His Excellency John Kwame Dramani Mahama. And rightly so, you have been a blessing to us as a region and also as a country. Nana no menche bia emse muamuba mubibia His Excellency John Mahama. Now I am president. Yakoto aba 2016. Emma Ghana for ye jane kwai. So onko na onko jina home. Yaba pa iko ye ya wese de ne me kwa. Yeah, who just said nanum kayano. Na ya no kreda sankofa yenchi. Ta sankofa yenchi dia. Osabaye. 2020 wabaye mutu nefo. Anye ye wako na chisa babio. If ze nanum ani ye wako ni mprenu. Obaye 2024 no so. Mutu nefo. Mo bompa ye mano. Mo chire na kwanchire. Ampa se enei si yakasi the experience pa to what ya. Na Papa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama mafutu ntino experience no nya bi pa. December 7, 2024. Yakwaya ya de agudie ni kwahye so no. Ya nu first half okra. Ana yehu se bibia de na akwa mu a. Mo amoba, mo amona na mu bibia. Ojina mu ma ye ayato no so aba as president no. Na no kwasem ni se wasaba bio aba be president of the Republic of Ghana. Nananum Ghana abakose mu no ebisi say that se omampani bi akọ na wasa babio na my doctor yi ebi o ha obi ba hospital na wo wu na nankopon ya dom ne atimi gina ne so a manisa atimi ba nkwam a oba nkwam na wo na setran na na montro na wutimi se enema bi asesa wo mu eya no kra oba 6 months yi enema His Excellency John Dramani Mahama aye wo Ghana ha no ebinsida bibia obeye bia no obia wodina nchi a wo hwe bia busa se enti papa enti so se hifo ne tunefo na nanom ya moa na mutu nefo ya moa na moboa no tan na chi endei yahu de yahu na nanom oyimi as na minister ampa mi fie no de wo fom Asiasi akwara hu ni sa wo hora oni mpanifo ne didi ya Papa His Excellency the President onya machitai onya asanteman mu bibi ebesi bia mo befre ye bia ya de aho keka beduru obia no na ya Papa His Excellency John Mahama na ATIGYA chienti sa dwumadie nyina no ya tibi adi e wasanteman tema enche bia Assembly by Akodru, Otumfuor ni makotokuom na komu bridge, ebu ediagu amoso. Metia mu frère Papa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and was road minister corner for her near Fama Asantemai. Airport runabout, young Naim said, na what here. Assembly by Bedru, Papa Mahama anymore, and was road minister near Quanquay. Yes, I could have with a car or betono. One number would be a car cover bo. Eti how bebra makeka ka ho asem yi ya Papa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wo ha obeka sa ba wie no na mo ma wusa mpa ba wo ba ye no oba ma asanteman sa ba e de magana ebize de wa we koto da no oka so ba we kora atidije bi anya dai eni ho.
All right, enti mpemfo beka sa wi His Excellency John Dramani Mahama the nation builder ebigina ho no like obigina ho so all kasa no na obobo sa na eme so se asanteman obaye no thank you to de bemo no ye ade amayamna so nani if you say asanteman aboa ema wawini like voter asanteman de man no chese ne hukura adwiri no na oda wanse pa na ade a wayama o mayama ninti na ne party no NDC party ninti no ono nya ade a NDC party na ba no ombeyi omani ade ama asanteman ombetwa omani aba asanteman mu na aniama esefata market aka nwuramu schools ayentuma complete a binum emfa ho do kan me de pa emfa ho no ne start ye ho de president asema kan no me de pa o se emfa ho no ne start ye obeba waba no obehwese na aban no ebe ni nyina no bobo ne bi so bi te say afari military hospital and Justin Awuwa military hospital and also ombeye KNUS ye Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology medical center no ho no ono nso ose obehwe na waye kejetia phase 2 project no nso no ose obehwe no akra no di kan kọ ho ekohwe committee contractors na ye adwuma no inomu di nkomo hu nse ne enyoma esiko ono akọbọ aprod na ni ko hwehwe ho hu de wa ne emesitie ese omoye ne ntembehwe se bibia because ne emamu hia ebeboa ma dwumadie no aye ntentem no obeboa one na ban ne beboa no maye ne ntentem na by next year odi Otumfuor o se tutu nyame kese ibodin a ni aboye mu ase one ne beko na makobia no na yesa market no so astarte ayɛ adwuma na wo wie ya no wanfa nso a wanfa nsi wo no ma ɔse by next year Kurofrom ne Mamponten market no nso no by next year ɛno nso ɔmbɛhyɛ aseɛ saa Kurofrom market yi akyɛ papa saa market yi I think say John former president John Otumfuor and starting saa market yi asi ho akyɛ aka wuram but wabɛka sɛ ɔbɛyɛ na mu gidie so sɛ ɔbɛyɛ president we dey sɛ waka no ɛne sɛ bi a waka ne saa kwa yɛhwɛ sɛ ɔbɛhwɛ na wayɛ ɛnɛma ndeɛ ɔbobɔ bebree Kumasi teaching hospital maternity and children's block no nso ɔso ɔbɛyɛ owie no krakra mu no ɔno sɛ Baba Yara Sports Stadium ɔbɛyɛ ma hɔ no ma ayɛ nika yie ɛhɔ abɛyɛ kra bɛhwɛ ɛnsɛm ne deɛ ɔka bebree yɛnkɔ tie ɛmra na wɔkasa
Antigina haya mi ura dina machi die. Meshaba eneye. Mechanic so a eneye. Ebizeka kum ya di no obrempon anim. Obrempon so na ti machi. Nipa mi be yi na kire no. Why assembly member pen. Enti na assembly members wo dwen mu when the assembly member bi aboso me so ya ken cry na baba gufo. Because what maduma na sin de mo bre. Why MP da? Why deputy minister da? Why minister da? Why vice president da? Why president da? Why ex-president da? And they want a president of the Republic of Ghana. I was here for you find somebody today. Asia Abebio, the nation builder, His Excellency John Kwame Dramani Mahama.
Yo, me na regional minister me da say. Pacho mo try say. Madam Wase. Say regional minister Dr. Mwakohene or the Yamanye ATIGYA na enne ne de ba asantimemu ha and they say, Yade and Nasia, Ebema, Asantimena, and they address from Qua, a battle a train with Muyamai. Send your kind, Yatua Batua, and so share a free Abra Yade 1992 Constitution at 2 years or no. M says, Sabatua, 2 years. Na a from Kokra. Party bia enya seat bako 2/3 ewo parliament. Wo share vote so aminya ya na eche se eyesronko. Na yamamre echere se nipa ya o papa adechia oso okobokokoko na odanase. Your Bible ngoma Thessalonians I say, Bibia mu isuwa osa mu yare ba kope ene bai ebeda ase ena Yesu busa se na enkono na aka no ehe nche se bibia obi abeya ma ebia e wo se yede enase wo hwe Quran ngoma nso a eno so e wo ho se Allah se so ya de ma o na odanase a odi bi beka ho enti enne muhu ye hanna na eye nase ene ede ba abemma yewura ye bibia asante wura Otumfuor osai tutu otosu mienu ene na hemfo na hemafo asante fo nyina ye zongo ahemfo abra ye campaign ye ba mo so ye ba mo na so ahemfo ye ba mo ahemfie mo ji ya wa tu efutuo bi a sefata mo de maye ena nyame eye ya doma enne yasa aba abedi Ghana enim na nyame ka ne se wo hwe Ghana ha we greater Accra fi ho a Ashanti region ena edi echi se population, you cast some population, Ashanti region in a DH. Enti, Bibia, Yabaya Ama Greater Accra no. Na I was say Yasha Ashanti so, a Yabiwaha. Enti, Bosha Mema Mone say, Madam say, na se eba se na brofoka samu your friend and national cake no me na mikura sekan no se eba se ye twa na ye cha Asante man monsa ebe ka mo chefa enti makasa no mesre na ne aka no meka no brofoka samu if say say you made the omode ato TV so live nti meka bro focus asena be ya Ghana fo nyina so ebetimi nti yana na achamfo asafo boache ajiman bonsu awo ya asafo hene awo jina asante hene Otumfuor anamu nananom ni nanahimamo amowo ha Council of State members amowo ha your national chairman General Mosquito Johnson Asedo Ketia, the General Secretary Honorable Fifi Kwete, the Regional Minister Akwadanyame Dr. Amwakohene, the MP4 Amoha, the DC Metropolitan and Municipal Chief Executives Amoha, the Regional Executives any NDC Penyufo na government appointees and a former government appointees, your security Penyufo, security services in Penyufo, your imam for your sofo, your school in Kwada, media, ladies and gentlemen, Ghana for na mechiamo. It is with deep humility and a grateful heart that I return today to the Ashanti region, not to only express my sincere appreciation, but also to renew our shared commitment to rebuilding and transforming our beloved country. The 2024 elections will be remembered as a defining moment in our democratic history. Through your votes and the voices, the people of Ashanti delivered a clear and powerful message. You chose unity over division. You chose truth over propaganda. You chose hope over despair. And for this, I say, Mesdames Wasipi. Your support in electing 7 members of parliament on the National Democratic ticket and awarding us over 33% of the presidential vote in a region that historically is regarded as the stronghold of another party was not only unprecedented, but it was profoundly symbolic. It affirmed the fact that the Ghanaian spirit rises above partisanship when the national interest is at stake. To Nananom, I wish to thank you for your enduring leadership, your moral guidance, and your good counsel that you have always given me. You are the custodians of our culture and the conscience of our people. You welcomed us warmly to your palaces with open arms, and you always had a word of advice for us on how to conduct our campaign, devoid of insults and violence. I pledge to continue engaging with you, Nananom, as partners in the peace and progress of Ashanti and Ghana at large. To the youth and women who mobilize tirelessly from community to community, your energy and passion were the ones that powered this campaign. To our party executives, our polling agents, volunteers and foot soldiers, your sacrifice has laid the foundation for national renewal, and I'm deeply grateful, and I say thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, Ashanti region remains a vital engine of our national economy. It is endowed with natural resources such as gold, cocoa, timber, commerce, innovation, and a rich culture, and more. Yet this region also bears the burden of neglect, stagnation, and broken promises. Once known as the Garden City of West Africa, Kumasi today grapples with traffic congestion, waste mismanagement, and overstretched infrastructure. Many roads are in bad condition, schools and hospitals have been abandoned, markets have been left incomplete, and our young people filled with potential but starved of opportunity. Glaring examples of this neglect are the Afari Military Hospital, which has remained incomplete since I left office more than 8 years ago. Equally painful is the state of the Kwame Nkrumah University of Technology Medical Center, a first-class health and academic facility that can transform health delivery in the Ashanti region. Yet, it lies incomplete and underutilized. The people of Ashanti region and Ghana deserve better. And that is why I've directed that no viable project will be abandoned under this administration. Regardless of who started it, we shall continue and complete it. We are a government of continuity and results. Projects we will continue and complete in this region include the KJTM Market Phase 2 project, and before I came here, I visited the market and I spoke to the contractors, and we're going to accelerate work on it. And by the grace of God, next year we'll be able to go with Otumfuor 32 II and open that market. Under the big push, we're going to continue the Swami interchange and complete it. By the grace of God, by next year, we'll finish the Krofrom and Mampontein markets. We will complete the Afari Military Hospital and the Siwa Regional Hospital. We'll also complete the Komfanoche Teaching Hospital Maternity and Children's Block. We'll rehabilitate the Babaya Ara Sports Stadium, and we will continue and complete the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology Medical Center. We are moving boldly with our big push agenda. The World Bank estimates that Ghana has a deficit of infrastructure valued at $1.5 billion every year. The big push agenda is a $10 billion infrastructural program which will span 5 years at a rate of $2 billion a year. This will prioritize strategic infrastructure to unlock national productivity. Under the big push, we're going to commence the construction of what we call the Greater Kumasi Bypass. The first quadrant of this bypass will go through Ejiso and link the Mampong and Techiman roads. It means that all the big articulated trucks that are heading to Burkina Faso and Mali will no longer come through Kumasi City. They will turn right at Ejiso and appear on the Techiman Road. This will help decongest the city. It will promote safer travel and restore Kumasi's urban integrity. We also have earmarked the reconstruction of roads in the Tepa area, in the Manso area, and in the Adanse areas. In the aviation sector, the contract has been awarded and the contractor is mobilizing to site for the extension of the runway of the Prempeh International Airport. This will allow larger aircrafts to land and enhance Kumasi's global connectivity with the rest of the world, making it a gateway for international travel, investment, and tourism. In addition, the long-awaited Accra-Kumasi Expressway is on course. Feasibility and design work are in progress, and God willing, we shall cut the sod early next year for the start of this iconic project. Don't confuse the Accra-Kumasi Expressway with the Accra-Kumasi Road Dualization Project. They are two separate ones. The expressway is a completely different expressway. It is 3 lanes on each side, and it's going to cut the traveling distance from Accra to Kumasi by 50 kilometers. The new expressway will enhance logistical movements and strengthen national integration. The expressway will have rest stops, it will have filling stations, and it will have all the facilities for safe travel between Accra and Kumasi. We will toll the expressway, and so the money that is generated will go to pay for the cost of constructing the expressway. And I pray that I'll have the privilege to commission this all-important project before the end of my term of office in 2029. I've asked the Minister of Transport to audit the Buankra Inland Project and present a report to Cabinet for a decision on how to complete it. The people of Ashanti are known to be astute in business. Anytime the economy is in decline, Ashanti region is the most affected. The recent downturn of our economy experienced had a devastating effect on businesses in Ashanti. Many businesses were affected by the banking sector clean-out, and many were affected by the domestic debt exchange program. This is why my administration has made a stable economy our main focus. Since January, we have introduced strong cost-cutting measures and enforced fiscal discipline in all sectors of government. The economy has responded well and significantly, with a rapid reduction in inflation and a steep appreciation in our local currency, the cedi, against major international currencies. This has increased business confidence and made the business environment more predictable. And it has also made port charges and levies more affordable for our businesses. The stable economy will help boost businesses in Ashanti and create more job opportunities for our young people. As part of our drive to relieve the financial burden on ordinary Ghanaians, I'm pleased to confirm that the government has absorbed academic-related user fees for all first-year students in our tertiary institutions. This is a major relief for parents and guardians across the country, and it's a key manifesto commitment fulfilled. Again, Assembly members who were promised allowances have been paid their first quarter allowances from January to March. And henceforth, they are going to be receiving these allowances frequently at the right time. Let me also speak on an issue of deep concern, and that is illegal mining and environmental degradation. The Ashanti region has not been spared. Rivers are polluted, forests have been destroyed, and communities are endangered. And so let me be clear, we are not against mining, but we are firmly against illegal and irresponsible mining that destroys the environment and our livelihoods. We've activated a presidential task force to reclaim degraded lands, enforce mining regulations, and support responsible community mining initiatives. These efforts are going to be relentless. We will never give up. Ladies and gentlemen, our reset agenda is also about rewarding excellence and promoting regional balance. I'm proud to announce that several distinguished sons and daughters of Ashanti region have been appointed to senior positions in my government. We have Dr. Franka Mwakuhene, who is the regional minister. We have Honorable Muntaka Mubarak, who is the interior minister. We have Honorable Kenneth Gilbert J, who is the Minister for Works and Housing. We have the Honorable Ernest Broja-Jemfi, who is Deputy Defense Minister. We have the Honorable Andy Okra, who is CEO of the Tree Crops Development Authority. We have Dr. Mary Ewusi, who is CEO of the Ghana Free Zones Board. We have Honorable Alex Asafwa J, who is CEO of the Scholarship Secretariat. Abbas Nuruddin is CEO of the Social Investment Fund. Chris Bwedi Mensah is CEO of the National Pensions Regulatory Authority. Commissioner of Police retired Nathan Kofi-Boakye is Director of Operations at the Presidency. Honorable Bolya Obimpe, Council of State Member. Honorable Betty Modidrisu, Council of State Member. Chief Alexander Mold, CEO of Millennium Development Authority. Stephen Yabua, Deputy Director, Narcotics Control Commission. Latif Uredu, Deputy CEO, Free Zones. Onassis Kobi, Deputy CEO, Petroleum Hub. Alhaji Bashiru Emisa, Deputy CEO, Gaming Commission. Donko Fusheni, Deputy Director, National Service Scheme. Alex Adumaku, Commissioner, GRA Support Services. Kwame Zu, Deputy CEO, Codvet. Ambrose Sanko, Deputy CEO, Ghana Export Promotion Authority. Honorable Kojo Bonsu, Ambassador to the Republic of China. Professor Bridanso, Ambassador to India. Professor Hine J, Ambassador to Germany. Alassane Isham Bonsu, Presidential Staffer and Ashanti Political Coordinator. Hamdan Nuruddin, Deputy CEO, SDC. Adra Sewa Bonzi, Deputy CEO, BOST. Nana Saribediako, Deputy Executive Secretary, Ghana Refugee Board. Adra Foriwa, Board Member, Minerals Commission. Professor Anthony Owusu Ansa, Executive Secretary, Lands Commission. Augustus Andrew Nana Kwesi, Board Chairman, STC. Professor Otia J, Board Chairman, GMPC. Peter Boama Otokuno, Director of Presidential Initiatives on Agriculture. Professor Otinga Bibio, Board Chairman, Forestry Commission. Paul J, Administrator, Get Fund. Alexander Ako, Board Member, Consolidated Bank. Akwesi Okonfosu, Board Chairman, Ghana Investment Promotion Center. Joseph Azuma, MP, Board Chairman, Ghana Refugee Board. Godwin Dogbaji, Board Chairman, Small Arms Commission. Lawyer Ivan Samankwa, Legal Director, Ministry of Agric. Abdul Adam Salam, Board Member, ECG. Madam Vida Adai, Board Member, Defense Industry Holding Company. Fred Bechira, Deputy CEO, NIA. Elizabeth Ofosu-Mensah, Board Member, NEIP. Rene Mohe Sichofe, Board Member, Gaming Commission. Mubarak Masaudu, Deputy DG, Ghana Maritime Authority. I mean, you got a big share of the appointment cake. But these appointments reflect the depth of talent you have in this region and our commitment to inclusive and competent government. This is not a time for slogans, it is a time for substance. It is a time to restore hope, dignity, and opportunity to every Ghanaian. The reset agenda we have launched is not just about governance, it is about rebuilding a nation where hard work is rewarded, where public trust is restored, where every citizen has a fair shot at success. I do not stand here because I'm the most perfect human being in this country. I stand here because you believe that Ghana deserves better. You thought this country could work again, and we will make it happen together. Let us rise above our political divide. Let's embrace unity. Let's share destiny and build an Ashanti region and a Ghana that is worthy of our children and grandchildren. May God bless the Ashanti region. May God bless our beloved Republic Ghana. Medamwasipi. Nyamishra munyina.
Awusia na se ne yetie no president akasa yehwe so wode wose ebeye oyo president die Kumasi-man ene Ghana fo nyina kan ne se ne waka no hwe na ye mai na woye na se mere ne so a ene obi ananya wa na ba begina ha beka se meyewe wunwuma na ene ebedi wo ho adanse aha ye ala media Ghana koso adi echi ne betofo bia no yede peba ababeso